Hello, my K2 students. How are you? I hope that all of you are doing great and happy with your family at home, right? So, welcome back to our science class. And today, we will learn new things. But before that, last week we discussed about fur, feathers, and scales, right? Okay, and we learned that some animals have fur. Yes, some animals have fur, like rabbit and cat. Yes, they have fur to keep their body warm. Okay, I hope you can remember that. And some animals have scales, like turtles and fish, to protect their body. And some animals have feather, like birds. They have feather to attract mates and also to help them keep their body warm. All right? Okay, so this was our lesson last time. Okay, so today we will proceed to our new topic, no? And we will learn about animals sounds. Again, animal sounds. Please repeat after me. Animal sounds. Good job. All right. Let's spell the words. A N I M A L, animal. S O U N D S, sounds. Animal sounds. Good job. All right. Okay, so different animals make different sounds. That's right. Different animals make different sounds, no? Okay, like the first one here, we have bird, small bird, they tweets. Okay, tweet. Please read with me. Tweet. Tweet. Let's spell tweet. T W E E T. Tweet. Very good. And then parrot. Parrot, squawk. All right, squawk. Okay, please read with me. Squawk. Let's spell S Q U A W K. Squawk. All right. And then down here we have frog, dog, and cat. Yes. Dog, whoop. Woof. Yes, dog, woof. In Thai, I think you sound dogs like home, right? Home, home, home. Okay, but in English, they sound woof. Yes, woof. Let's spell W O O F. Woof. That's right. And then frog, croak. Croak. Yes. C R O A K. Croak. Very good. And then the last one here we have cat. Cats, meow. Yes, cats, meow. Let's spell M I A O W. Meow. All right, very good. Okay, so those are the different sounds of animals. Okay, so to learn more and understand more, let's watch this video about animals and their sounds. All right.